Yeah, my name is Abdulrahman Al-Khalfan. I am project manager from SABIC, Engineering and Project Management Department.
What is the main reason you came here to visit?
Actually, this is part of our field. We want to see what's going on in the global markets for COVID and what opportunity we can do to have more first quartile projects in our portfolio.
You already saw a presentation today?
Yeah, I've attended the keynote. And that's very interesting subject. So how to start, realistic start, that's important when you start.
And
right.
What did you think of the speaker?
Oh, the speaker is very knowledgeable people, SMEs from different companies and contractors, and that have give us an opportunity to talk to each other and understand other perspectives.
You already had some interesting conversation today?
Not yet. We are at the beginning, the morning.
At the beginning, you hope to find some interesting people?
Sure,
That's
sure, definitely.
Perfect. And what do you think of the hotel?
Yeah, I think the hotel is a good place to have an event.
Was it easy to reach for you?
Yeah, next to the metro, so that's easy,
right?
great across the
Okay,
the
well,
street.
I hope you have a nice day and meet a lot of people.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you so much.